Hello guys, good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and I'm back with a pretty good day trading recap. Although it started with a loss, which is somewhere here. It was a long here, stopped out, took short, and everything was short. And yeah, it was okay. It's a small loser. It's not bad. I immediately flipped my positions to short, and yeah, Happy New Year. It's been a while since I made my last recap. It's just um there's a lot of stress going on social media right now, like not just in YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. There's like so much attention. Sometimes I feel like there's too much because sometimes I have day job, I can't reply to everything. um I have things to do, errands and everything, and I got a lot of questions, which is okay. But sometimes when I have negative people who are trying to harass me, or those are the things I don't like. That's why I was like taking a break from making recaps and posting my trades. But I'm kind of like slowly getting back there, because I took a rest during the Christmas break and New Year's break. And yeah, before everything else, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel, so you can watch my daily recaps and follow me in my social media accounts. And please, we're up to 1,000 subscribers already. So if you can please subscribe to my channel. So yeah, today I traded FCEL, although I have plug and Neo in my list. So they were all gapping up. Good thing I did not trade plug Neo, because it just chopped up. But yeah, and plug, look at that, up and then back down, like crazy move. I was just happy I picked the right one, which was FCEL. Really good mover. Look at that. So I caught both of the move. I was expecting FCEL to move about $2, move about $1.80 today. Plug, I was expecting it to move $4. It moved about 6.78. And Neo about 3 and moved about $2.50. So my gates are kind of close. It's just getting to know where is it going. If you're on the right side, then you'll be good. So that's kind of like what I'm aiming right now, like to predict how much it will move and get the right side of it and then catch the prediction. So yeah, let's watch. So yeah, market is about to open. So here I have plug in my main list. So I was watching actually FCEL. You can see here I was kind of watching FCEL for a $2 move. Daily average is $1.55. It made a daily average already in the pre-market. This is pre-market 158. It will go back to zero once it opens. So the thing is, I was expecting this to move. 1 ATR is 155. It gapped up 11%, and it's kind of like overbought. That's why I was kind of hesitant to take it long, but I took it long. And then I know that it's since it made the $1, it's since it already made the daily range in the pre-market, and it's right way above VWAP. I feel like it's gonna sell off. So I was actually expecting this to move back down here. I was thinking maybe I'll take it long if it drops here. But the thing is, it was just too weak. What's this? Same for plug, gap up, really far from VWAP. Not really, like kind of far from VWAP. And I was expecting this to move about $4. Range pre-market range is $4 already, so it's kind of like overbought in terms of day trading. And then we probably want to take this short, but the thing is, we don't know what's going to happen at the open, so we have to be prepared. We have to be fast. Next one I have was Neo. I was expecting Neo to move about $3. Pre-market range is $2.24. Daily ATR range is 391. So yeah, let's watch the first minute and see what happens for this a bit. So market opens. Look at that. Moving. So right at the bat, this Neo has 1.9 million volume, but the way everyone has 1.5 million, even FCEL. But the way FCEL was moving, I kind of like how FCEL moving. on its time in sales. It was the fastest among all of these three. So I kind of like look at FCEL and focus on FCEL, and then now it's moving about what's this, 40 cents, waiting for first minute candle to finish. Look at that. So as you can see here, oh, yeah, so the market opens, right? So this moves about 39 cents. It's kind of like indecision because it's right in the middle of both wicks, but it's above VWAP. So I said maybe it's gonna be a good long, right? So this is probably, I'll probably take this long. It's above VWAP. It's kind of indecision. We just have to properly go in the right side. So here, plug. This is probably gonna sell off. I'm not sure, but this is probably going to sell off. I don't know what, I can't remember what happened here. Based on the wick here, it looks like it's gonna sell off if it goes below 51.25, break of 51. If there's a order of 51.50, yeah. So it's probably gonna sell off at 51.50. Let's see what happens. And Neo, same for Neo as well. If you look at Neo, higher wick here, larger wick here. Oh, there's also a wick here, so it's kind of like indecision as well. It's above VWAP, so maybe this will be a long. I'm not sure. Let's see what happens. So let's go back to FCEL. That's the one I traded. I took FCEL here for a high of day break because this is high of pre-market break and high of day here. I took FCEL here. Oh, I didn't like that drop. So I was kind of like, okay, that's really bad. Maybe I'll get off at 1050. That kind of drop, that's not good. So there's like a seller probably sold the market order in there. So let's look, see what happens to the other stocks. This one, see, it's below 52. It looks like plug is gonna sell off. Let's look at Neo. Neo looks like it's also gonna sell off. There's a large wick here, large wick here. It looks like it's also gonna sell off. So let's go back to FCEL. Average is 73. Let's see. There you go. Took profit. I was hoping for a $17 break. There's large orders here. Let's see. 1773. Okay, it's dropping. It's dropping. It looks like not going to continue, but I'm holding. 73 is my average. Okay, I sold because it looks like it's going to break 1650, which it did already. See, it's now at 47. There you go. So I took it short, really heavy. As I said, that's a really nice rejection. Took profit there, 10%. See what happens. Look at Neo. See, Neo sold off. See, that's what I was telling you, right? If it breaks this area, then it's gonna just sell off. But I didn't trade it because FCEL was better. Oh, well, I was wrong with plug. Let's see. I don't know what's gonna happen with plug. But yeah, let's focus on my trade. Short, probably get out at 1650 just in case. If it goes above 1650, I'll probably get out. But I kind of like this wick here. So if it maintains 1650 area, I'll probably hold. Heavy size, that's why I need to be careful. I need to get out at 1650. Average is 1640. Come on, there you go. That's the sell-off. I can see heavy sell in here. Heavy selling pressure. On, there you go. Took profit, $16. Let's see if it's gonna break. Yep, there's one more big order in here. Break. There you go. So that's the one I was hoping for. Imagine if you held this long here, you probably lose a lot of money. There you go. More sell-off. Heavy sell-off. I can see it. On my, like on my site, I can see that it's kind of selling off. There you go. More on. Still holding a pretty good amount of shares. Holding last 10% of my shares. It's oversold already. There you go. There you go. Taking more off. And all out. There you go. I took most of it. Just, I want to do a recycling of shares. So I have a really, really small share size left here. But yeah, we're back in green after this loss here. Pretty good. Really, really good. There you go. I added. New average is 16.25. It looks like, so the way sometimes when I add, let's pause. So when I add, I like adding at 50% 50% reversal. So as you can see here, it ranged about $1.62, right? So that's kind of like the move that I was expecting already. So that was good. Like that's one ATR already, one daily ATR. This, so from high is 90 cents, from low is 60 cents. So I'm kind of like gauging between these two. If it goes like 50-50 both, um then I'm gonna just, probably 80 cents on the both sides. I'm gonna take it short because it pulled back about, pulled back about 50% already. So that's how I kind of like, if it pulls back 50%, I'm probably gonna take it short or add. So there you go. That's where I kind of added, but still a bit early. Fine, I need to stop out and respect my stop just in case. Really small shares, really small shares left. There you go. One. So I'm all out there. I got stopped. So looking if I should re-enter, actually. I should have waited for this 1650 area. I already reached my goal at this point. Twice my goal. So this is, I took it short here. Yeah, this is short. I stopped out. I'm sorry about that. Wasn't paying attention. I was drinking water. So this is just a really small share. I was playing around. Since I got stopped here, I shorted again, same size here, really small size there. Shorted it again, risking 1660 area. So it's like I see this rejection here, rejection, 1645 rejection. This was just like a piece, but it looks like it's someone selling here. Yeah, see, I can see from the print, it's printing red. That's why I added here when I saw that it's just dumping. There you go, $16. $16 break. Let's look. There you go. That's the order. See that? It's gonna break. There you go. Almost 20 cent, 15 cent. That's pretty good, right? I was just risking 1650 area, 1660. But that's like a really, really good risk reward ratio. I made more in here, like more than my goal. A good risk. Go, still selling. Looks like I'm gonna be, could have taken more profit here. Still have enough shares in here. Good amount. It's okay. I took most of it here, but still, I was in heavy. Like, yeah, I shorted it twice. I should have gotten out in here when I saw that it closed. The candle closed here. It closed above. Oh, I didn't. And it's probably gonna go back to 33, which is my average cost. Like it's holding. Oh, it's selling. It's actually selling. So there's like a seller here, this area. Okay. You see, someone's selling, right? They don't want it to close 1620 area. But yeah, okay. I got stopped. Right. Let's see what happened to plug. Plug. See? So plugged about LOVWAP, like, but I don't know. It was kind of hard to read this. Powerful is 400. Moved about $5 already. I was expecting it to move $4. Neo was expecting it to move $3. It's just chopping around. But yeah, FCEL was the best. Yeah, that's about it. I can say password this. Let's see what happens. It's kind of holding this range here, right? This range here, the thing I draw. I draw this range here. I don't know how I get it, but this blue lines range, kind of like good range. So this is probably gonna continue to break 60 pound all out. So there's a lot of more orders here. Yeah, selling off. So lower highs, right? So yeah, gonna continue probably 1550. Go back to 15. Oh, it's okay. We're 15 minutes to 10:30. That's where I stopped trading. I only trade about an hour. I'm strict now. I'm not gonna trade after that. Or the pullback. Yeah, about it. And look what happened, right? Pullback here and sells off. So how much did it move? Okay. Yeah, it moved about $1 each. We're very close to $2. Plug was, it was boring. 7 cents. Kind of like all time. Not sure if Neo is all time high. Oh yeah, it is. It's all time high. Hmm. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, just comment down below. Um, yeah, that's it. Please, if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and subscribe for updates. I will keep posting if I'm kind of like in the mood and if I have time, right? So, oh yeah, another one. I've been doing swing trading recently. So I'm still kind of like developing my strategy in swing trading, see how it goes. So yeah, I'm up like just I'm up really good already just from New Year. Uh, I picked some few stocks during the break and I bought them at the open in New Year, and look at them, they're just printing money, which is good. But the way I swing stocks is more on the cheaper ones. So since everything's overbought, trying to buy the cheaper ones to gain more upside, right? If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.